Greetings magical developers, Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome to the 29th mystical chapter of our JavaScript journey. Today we embark on the bewitching two-part Enchanted exercise. In part 1 we will uncover the secrets of the mysterious counter, so grab your coding vents and let the Enchanted unfold and let's dive into the magic. So Enchanted exercise part 1. Welcome to the part 1 of our Enchanted exercise where we will unveil the enchanting power of JavaScript by creating a magical counter. So here we have exercise scenario. You have to create a HTML structure with a button and mystical counter. When the button is clicked, the counter should increase by 1. Let's web the magic of JavaScript and manipulate the counter mystical power. First you have to make this button by using yourself, otherwise you have to watch this video for solution. Here we have HTML structure for part 1. So we will just copy this, uncomment this, then copy this, then comment this. So make this HTML here file. In HTML file we will paste this and give the title counter. So here we have this, just copy this, paste. We have a button with a ID increase button and we have a div with ID mystical counter. So let's see how this is rendering on our web page. This is very simple. Increase counter with a button and a div with a digit 0. So first we will just script.arc and script.js. So he will make a script 1. So make a script 1 here. So solution to the part 1. So first we have this const. So for JavaScript solution we have this const increase button is equal to document. We are using query selector for selecting a increase button by ID and mystical counter by ID mystical counter. So first we will take this and paste in the script 1. So next we have a variable let counter value is equal to 0. So we will increase this value by clicking on the button. So we will add a event listener on this button, increase button dot add event listener. Click we will execute this function, counter value will increased and mystical counter dot inner HTML will change with the counter value. I hope you are getting this. Let's copy this and paste in the HTML1 file. So here if I click the button, the value will increase. You can see the value is increasing on the selecting this. I hope you are getting this. So here we have to just, this is your homework to select this and give some styles to it for beautifying this. So here we have a understanding of events and inner HTML explanation. Witness the magic in this enchanted solution. We have summoned the clicked event on the increase button. As the button is clicked, the mystical counter's inner HTML is transformed and reveal the increase counter value. I hope you are getting this. So that concludes part 1 of our enchanted exercise. If you have any question or if you like to share your mystical counter creation, feel free to do so in the comments below. In the part 2 we will elevate our mystical counter to new heights by adding magical powers. Until then, may your code be enchanting and your counter be mystical and happy coding. So you have to just make this counter by yourself first. If you are not getting how to make, just watch this and make your own. So happy coding.